Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Joya and you are watching my channel Joy Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix deep effect is not working at your iPhones. Maybe you have a situation that you want to get a deep effect wallpaper at your iPhones and it's not working. Then keep watching this full video and follow the simple steps. After that you will all know how to fix it. Before starting the video, make sure that you have been iOS 16 at your device. For checking your software, just tap at Settings, scroll it up, tap at Journal, tap at About. As appears on screen, you can see I have iOS 16.1 at my device. Now go back. Again, tap at your settings, scroll it up, tap at Wallpaper. Now tap at Add New Wallpaper. Now tap at Photos. Now select the wallpaper you want to set as your deep effect wallpaper. Now appears on screen you can see a three dot in the bottom. Just tap on it. As you can see, the deep effect option is not working. You can just zoom it in or out little bit to fix this. Again tap at three dots. As you can see, this deep effect option is not working on my device. It's just because my device is not supported deep effect. This feature is only worked on iPhone 11 and above models. Less than iPhone 11s are not supported that. Now I hope you got your answer why this deep effect is not working on your devices. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.